Experiencing a frozen or black screen or no audio in your Honda Civic's infotainment system? You're not alone. First, determine if it's a software or hardware problem. Software issues like glitches from incomplete updates are more common, accounting for 60 to 70% of cases. Try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure your Civic is eligible for over-the-air updates via the Honda app, as these address many software bugs. If problems persist, visit a dealership for diagnostics to identify more complex software or hardware issues. Remember to avoid extreme temperatures and use certified Honda parts to prevent future problems. If basic fixes fail, the issue might be hardware related, such as a faulty amplifier causing no audio, or a head unit malfunction leading to frozen or black screens. Head unit replacement can cost between $1,000 and $2,000, depending on the model year. Check online forums like r/Honda for community-sourced solutions specific to your Civic's year model. Stay informed about future trends in Honda Civic infotainment systems. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto can bypass native system problems by using your smartphone for navigation and audio. Remember that regular software updates and proactive maintenance are key to extending the life of your Civic's infotainment system.